Hey YouTube, happy Friday. Today's unboxing is the Jordan 1 High Heritage in this mostly white and red color. I also like the fact that Jordan brand decided to switch up the boxes and give us this red and white box instead of the normal black and red boxes. I thought that was a nice touch to the sneaker. When it comes to the sneaker, it's pretty simple really. It's mostly white with red, and quality wise it's pretty good. I know it's been said that these are the poor man Travis Scott, but I tend to disagree with that take. So I know this sneaker is being compared to the Travis Scott Fragments because of the same color blocking, but I actually went ahead and did some research, and this color blocking actually pays homage to the 1985 mythical royal and white sample. They didn't get released, but from my knowledge, the inspo came from that shoe. Hey guys, I would also appreciate it if you give me a like, sub, and let me know down in the comments below if you like the Jordan Heritage ones or did you pass to pick up a different pair.